Mag-unbox tayo. May bagong dating. Ngayon lang dumating. So, i-unbox natin. Regalo. Unbox natin kung ano ito. Ang laman ay tada! Papel. Congrats on your new device. Kapapilan. Ito na siya. Ang laman ng box ay orange. Buksan natin. Wow, ayan na siya. Meron siyang cable. Meron siyang cable wire. At medyo mabigat. Bit like heavy feels. And I have this screen protector. And I have a casing color orange too. And then this one is, this is the screen protector. Ilagay na natin para hindi siya magasgasan. This is the wet wipes. And then the cloth. It says you have to put your phone like this. So, buksan na natin. Since bago, at I'm sure wala pa siyang gas-gas or wala pa siyang mga anything. So, I will put directly to the protector. So, ilagay lang natin ng pagganyan daw. Yay! Andiyan na siya. Did I put it correctly? Yes. So, I just put like this. I just do like this. So the bubbles won't like, kahit hindi pa na-on yung cellphone. So yan guys, oh. Nailagay ko siya perfectly. Ayan, oh. Yes. Oh my God. Hello. Ni hao. So, i-transfer natin. Ilagay natin dito. Para maganda. Ayan, oh. Ang cute. English. United States. Yan siya, oh. So, is-set up ko na gamit ito. Thank you. Quickly set up iPhone. So, this is 1 terabyte iPhone 17 Pro Max. Lock and unlock dito. Sa right side, lock and unlock. So, this one, the left side is volume, up and down. This one is the silent. Nakaano na siya agad oh, yung assistive device niya. So, yun lang guys, ang anting unboxing ng iPhone 17 Pro Max. Thank you for watching.